Hello friends, my name is Zafir and today I'll show you how to grow a deposit from $125 to $1,678 in just 4 trading using the Super Trend indicator. This tool helps analyze trends and identify the best moments to enter the market. The time frame is 30 seconds and the expiration time is 2 minutes. Let's get started. On the EUR/USD chart, the Super Trend indicator shows that the bearish trend is just gaining momentum. Despite the channel movement, the overall trend remains downward. I'm investing $125 on a sell trade. Excellent. The price went down and my deposit increased to $240. Now let's look at EUR/CHF. The situation here is the opposite. The price has reached a historical low and bullish impulses are starting to appear in market. This is a clear signal for a trend reversal upward. I'm investing $240 on a buy trade. It worked. The price went up and my deposit grew to $460. On CHF/JPY, it's evident that the candle has reached the resistance line. The signals that the price will start to drop. I'm investing $460 on a sell trade. Perfect. The price went down and my deposit increased to $874. Returning to EUR/USD, the downward trend continues here and the market is showing stable movement downward. I'm investing $874 on a sell trade. Everything worked as I predicted. The price went down and my deposit grew to $1,678. Want to achieve similar results? Subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I share strategies, valuable signals, and market analysis. We also have a trading assistant that helps you earn with high accuracy. The link is in the description. Join now. Today I started with $125 and ended with $1,678 using the Super Trend indicator. This is an excellent tool for analyzing the market and finding trend signals. Subscribe to my channel, check out my Telegram, and I'll help you achieve similar results. See you in the next video.